Having a great website for your fitness or wellness business is not only great for your clients because it gives them all the information they need without having to wait for you to respond to them, but it helps you, the business manager, by not having to take on every single inquiry. It acts as a salesperson that never sleeps. It's working for you 24/7, delivering information, guiding people to your checkout. So let's have a look at what a FitTune website for a fitness or wellness business looks like and everything you could do with it. And this is what your FitTune website looks like. As soon as you share your link with potential clients, they'll land here and they can read all about your business. They can read about why you do what you do, what sets you apart, your philosophy, and they can also see your reviews if you want to share those and any links that you might have. In your navigation, they'll have a few buttons for your class schedule, which they can immediately have access to. They can see the classes that you're offering. They can click into those classes and read any details and even book themselves if they wanted to. They'll also have an events tab, appointments for services, courses, and even memberships. So if they wanted to go as far as buying their own membership from your website, they'll be able to do that as well. So how do we set up this website and why is this better than something else? I'm going to answer that really quickly. So in your FitTune admin, what makes this website fantastic is the following. You don't have to pay a fancy developer or a programmer for any small change that you want. Everything is available to you. You can go in and do it with, I'll go as far as saying a few minutes worth of effort. So in here in the design tab, you have all of the sections that make up your homepage. You have your banner with text. So I uploaded an image, I added my title, my description, my button text, and a link. Below that, I have the section that is an image with text. So I uploaded my image. Let's have a look at that. So image and text, basically 2 columns. All of that's here. I can move the alignment of the image. I can add my title, my text, button, and link. And below that, I added 3 different columns, which is this section here. This is all extremely easy to set up and manage. And then you have your links column where you can add custom links in this section. And if you wanted to add more sections, well, you just click the add new section, you choose the one you want, you add it, you personalize it, and then you could even move it around. So let's say, oh, I want my links above here. Just click, drag, and move. It's that simple. And once you're done, you click save, and that's it. You don't need to spend money on a developer to go in and update anything. Now, moving forward, your brand. Your brand is also tremendously important to FitTune. So in the preferences section, you can choose anything that relates to your brand. You can change your primary color to something else, your secondary color. If your brand has a font that you prefer, you can choose that here. You could also choose a different body font. And down below, you can see how you can modify the actual calendar that's shown on your website. So right now, our calendar is set up in list view. Everything is in a list. But let's say that I wanted a calendar view. So I'm going to move over to calendar view. The date range is the week, show all the days. I'll leave all of this selected. So let me save that. Go back into my website, reload, and in a matter of seconds, I swapped out the calendar view to something that I like more without having to hire a developer to do it. I was able to do it myself in under 5 seconds. So I'm going to go back to list view, and then down below, you can choose your default website language. In the navigation tab, you can personalize the language to the links that are shown in the navigation. You can even show or hide them in case you have or you don't have certain sections. So let's say that you didn't want to show the courses. You could just click the status into hidden, and that's it. So it's hidden. I'll go back here and we'll see courses disappeared from the navigation. Course, there you go. Courses is gone. No developer needed to get hired. You didn't need to spend money on this. So, and the final setting is, if you wanted a personal domain, a personal URL, you could change this. So by default, Fitoon provides you with a personalized branded domain. But if you wanted to have your own domain, for example, let's say you had fitnation.com, you could go in here, add that domain, go through the steps. We guide you through that as well. It's all very easy. And once it's done, when people plug in fitnation.com, they'll be able to land on your website. So this is Fitoon's website and how to manage it. And there you go. We have just walked through one of the best fitness and wellness website builders around. It's fast, it's easy, and you don't have to hire any developers to do it. And you don't have to be constantly monitoring it or updating plugins or doing any of that WordPress craziness. Everything is done for you by Fitoon.